Hello everyone, I want to show you how to clear all the ACT databases that we have. The first thing is preparing and sorting and customizing all the columns that we have according to what you can see here. First column should be duplicate, and then contact name, company, address, city, province, postal code, dark color, light color, short name line 2, code, email status, color group F, logo URL, website, viability, industry, phone, fax, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Okay? Then you should sort the company column alphabetically and go through the rows to see which one is duplicate. Look at these ones. They're almost the same. 1-to-1 Personal Trainers Incorporation and 1-to-1 Personal Training. It's almost the same, okay? So the thing that you should do is look at all the columns and merge all of the things if there's anything missing there, and then in the edit mode put duplicate as yes for one of them. Okay, you don't need to delete anything, you don't need to touch anything else, just if everything is the same, put one as duplicate. After doing this, I want you to go through each of the columns to make sure that everything is correct. For example, this one, for the address line 1, it's comma Hamilton, which is not the one that we want. Okay? So we need to edit it. You can use the edit mode again, or just click go to the detail view and see everything there and correct everything. Okay? For example, in the colors we should have just colors, nothing else, and the short name just short name, or mascot just mascot, short name line 2 just short name line 2, postal code just postal code. Okay, so in the address we should have the address but not city and not province. So if we have them, we should remove those ones because we are clearing everything. Okay, so let's hit open.
Okay, I changed everything to black.
Till
I
it's
changed
done.
everything to black.
You can see it here. Okay,
Gray to just one color.
now the thing that I'm doing is just removing this one. Hamilton should be with the capital H, or if you drop it, you can see that and select it. Okay,
Yeah, there's something there.
for this one we don't have the address information, so we cannot split it. I want you to split it according to the address, according to unit number, street name, or anything, and then select even or odd for those ones. Okay, before showing you this one, for the distance, I'll tell you how to do these distances. If I look at here,
so it should be
this is the address of the website that you should go there.
Right.
It's distance from to .net. For top is this address.
It also goes on men's
Okay,
shirts.
Right, but
let me go to one
right.
better one so that
Exactly.
we
So
can have the better
exactly these
like
ways.
this.
We're
Okay,
gonna make the logo
this is the way that you should do. Copy this one here,
ladies' shirts,
one, put it
and
here,
the men's are just gonna be
and
the
then
same
one is odd, so select odd.
thing. You know, it's not gonna be.
Now we want to do
Of course,
this.
the bikers would like
Copy
it.
this
So
one,
what do you think? Do you think we
come
can go,
here to distance from
like
to
if this is the
.net.
smallest garment, right?
The
Yeah.
first one
we
is
go 12
the
inches?
postal code for top,
No, because
M
anything
for
over
M,
11 is going to
3
fall
L
on the
for
sides.
Yeah, no, I know. I'm with you.
Then
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm with
So
you.
to
10
this
and a
one
half,
and
11 I
select
think, and then because
driving.
it's pretty long,
and
It's
then
long,
it
yeah.
has to fit
I know.
And then
It has
just
to be
copy
about-
right
this
there. So
one
we are
Yeah.
more
and
concerned
put it
with
here
12, not more than 13
for
this way.
Hamilton.
I mean,
The address
14, 15.
postal code
very
is
good. 14 is more, makes more sense,
L8S2H6
Yeah, I hear you.
right?
You're basically
So
stuck with,
this
because
is
it's so long,
for
going to the 14
Hamilton.
inch and
I'm leaving it there.
I mean the men's you can go
then for
18
PO.
inches, no problem.
Right.
And those,
But I don't want to have another 3 screens.
no,
on
no,
that, right?
I know.
So put
I know.
it here,
Yeah.
driving, measure.
Yeah, we were lucky with this guy
This
that
is
he's a teacher who was teaching
here.
art.
Okay, so if you see,
Happened
we are
to
in
us.
Hamilton databases. It's Hamilton,
You
so
know,
it should
what
be
makes another
close
screen,
to
what's
our
possible, what's not
local
possible.
Right.
So that's
store
how we
in
worked out this whole
Hamilton.
thing, because,
and it's exactly
Yeah.
that, okay?
yeah, because right from the
And
beginning,
then you
when I
need
said
to
that
save
the
it.
blank needs to be printed on top.
Here
It
you
cannot
can
be
check
color shit
everything
coming
else
through
as
it,
well,
because it
or
cannot.
just
Oh,
go
God.
to
No.
list
Right.
view
So
and
from
correct
there, we
everything
work the rest.
else
No,
there.
because if you're going on a
Trying
it-
to-
For
yeah, it-
example, we have the
and
email
it's
here.
the
You can
register on it,
see
it's gonna
not
be
interested,
crap,
not
and it's
available,
no,
or
it's gonna be
something
a-
like that.
Yeah.
I want you to
Okay,
put these
no
things
problem.
into,
Do you want this
cut
first or
them
this first?
into, put it into email
I
I can
status.
give you whatever you want.
Okay?
The golf shirts first.
No problem.
I'll print a couple more of those.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can do
Okay.
it like
Very good,
this
and then
Give me 2
and
seconds.
manually,
No problem.
Alright.
or if you found them all
I think
Take-
that-
and
a deep
they're
breath.
all the same,
That's where it's.
Did
for
you
example,
go outside
this
yet?
part, okay?
No,
Oh, good
Just
for you.
select these ones,
I'm waiting.
Go
Current radar
to
is showing
look up
around
selection,
5:30 the thunderstorm
and
hitting
you
this
can see
area.
that
really?
all of them
Yeah.
are the same. This is just for the ones that are all the same, and nothing is here. So for this one, you can go to edit and field. For example, we are in email. You can swap it to email status. If I click OK and then yes, you can see what's going on here. You can see that the email column is empty now and everything moved to email status. But as I said, it should be all the same format that you want to move to another column, and the other column that you want to swap it should be empty. Okay? Unless you will lose all the information that you had here. The other thing that I want you to do is checking viability of everything. For example, if it's like a dental office, pharmacy, bank, or anything like that, or big franchise, you need to put non-viable in the viability column. Like non-viable, you can see this one, it's a non-viable doctors. You can put non-viable banks, non-viable franchise, or something like that, okay? So I need you to check the viability as well. So if I back again, the first step is sorting all the columns and then sorting the company column alphabetically and then going through each rows one by one and check whether they are duplicates or not, and then if they are duplicates, merge all the information in those columns. If they are not the same, then put yes for the duplicate ones so that we can remove it later, but you shouldn't remove anything. And after finishing that part, you need to check all the columns to be sure that everything looks fine. For example, In the emails, if you have any comma, you should change it to semicolon. In the contact, if you have semicolon, you should change it to contact. That's exactly like all the steps that you are checking for emailing. Okay, so you should follow those information and prepare everything correctly. And after that, you just need to go to detail view, and in the Scott layout you should fill all the all the information about the addresses, which is unit number, street number, street name, city, and province. So if, for example, it's, you know that you are in Hamilton databases, and in the address you have Hamilton, but in the city it's empty, you should put Hamilton in the city. Or you have Hamilton as a city, but you don't have the province, but you know that Hamilton is in Ontario, so you should select Ontario for that one. And then based on the number of street, you should select odd or even, and the distance from top or Peel or Hamilton. For example, for B6 that we have, all the data there is just Hamilton, so you just need to fill Hamilton. I don't want you to fill top or Peel, okay? But for B5, which has Mississauga, Burlington, and Oakville, Georgetown, I need you to fill Hamilton and Peel, okay? For some of the others that we have, like Toronto 1, I want you to fill top. So based on the city, we will fill the distances, but this one that I did is just to show you how to do it, okay? So finding distance is going to distance from to.net, and then put the postal code from each of these ones there, and then for to, you should select the postal code here for that business and put it there, and select driving distance and measure, okay? And just copy and paste this one to the correct location. Thank you for watching. Good luck.